I'm gonna make a paper book. So you fold it in half, like this, side, top to bottom, and then you need to just check if it's accurate, because otherwise it won't be accurate. Just checking. Now fold it the other way, top to bottom again. And then open it. And then fold the corner to the line in the middle. Then fold the other one. Now fold the bottom and fold it up, then to the other side.